Excuse me.
What?
Darcy, I need you to give me a chair.
A what? Guys, I'm recorded. Oh, you guys, I saw my video. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're old, welcome back. God bless you. I appreciate the love and support right here. Today I'm doing an unboxing video, and as you can see right behind me, I have the two items that I'm going to be showing you guys today. So without wasting anyone's time, let's just get right into the unboxing. So the first item is in here, and I'm just going to take it out for you guys to see. That's right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. Take this off. There you go. It's a pair of earrings that I got right here. These are the pair of earrings. Oh my god, I do love these earrings. They're so beautiful. I actually saw this earring on a friend. We went out to like a polo event, and she was wearing it, and I just fell in love with it, and I was like, I really needed to get these earrings. And yeah, so I got these earrings. I do love them. I'm going to take them out so you can see how they look like. So cute. All right, so I put on the earrings, and you can see how beautiful they look right here, and then has this rectangular, you know, metal attached to it as well. I do love these earrings. It's so beautiful. They're not heavy. They just sit right on my ear. It's not too much weight on my ears. The next item I'm going to be showing you guys is right here. It's this big bag right here. As you can see. Can you guys guess what's in here? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think is inside this big bag, and let me know. This is what's in the bag, and what do you guys think I got? What do you think I got? What do you think I got? What do you think is in here? Well, let's find out. All right, so I'm gonna take this out. The camellia flower. I'm not just gonna do that. I'm just gonna. And now the ribbons are off the box, so let's see what's in here. Oh. All right, so oh my goodness, this is the bag. It's in the dust bag, so let's see what's in this dust bag. Voila, here you go. So I went ahead and get the Chanel 19 bag in a small black. I've been looking at this bag since earlier this year, and I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to buy it. And because of the corona, I wasn't able to go to the store to actually look at the bag and, you know, have a feel of how this bag looks like when you carry it on. So I did get the chance when the stores were opened. I did get the chance to go in. I actually loved it. I actually went in for a red bag, but then again, I'm like, I don't have a black handbag, and I really wanted something really sophisticated, something that I can wear over and over again, something that is not going to be so picky with outfits, something that I can wear during the day as well as transition during the night. And I didn't want a classic bag, because the classic bag to me right now is just way too expensive, and I wanted something really affordable and also nice and chic, and this was within the price range that I wanted. And so I went ahead and got this, and let's just see what's in here. So as you can see, it has this gold plates around the logo. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up and take off this protector off. All right, I did take off the wrappings around the hardware. So this is how the bag looks like out of the wrappings. It's so beautiful. It's gorgeous, and I do love the bag. It's kind of like squishy. It's like, you know, like it's like a soft leather. It's quite soft. It's a soft leather. So if you're thinking about getting this bag, put that behind your mind that it's really soft and it's very, 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 very delicate, because you don't want to go putting marks around the bag. Let's get right into the details of this bag. As you can see, it has gold hardwares right here, and as you move along you can see the gold hardwares, and then it changes into like this blackish silver hardware chain, and then you keep going around, still the silver black hardware, and then as you move along it changes back to the gold hardware and the silver. So overall this bag is really nice. It has a back pocket. I'm gonna unsnap it. Has this red lining in here, which I feel like is really cool. It's pretty lining. Also right here at the front you have the embossed Chanel logo. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up, and also has a red lining. You have the zipper in there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open the zipper. Also red lining in there, and then I do have my card in here as well, and I can actually fit my phone and other stuff in here. All right, let's go ahead and try that. So I just put my phone in here and like some lipsticks. I can also put my car keys in here as well, and the bag still takes its shapes. First I thought I needed an organizer to keep the shape of this bag, but now that I actually see it, I don't think I'm gonna be getting an organizer for this bag. I'm just gonna carry this bag like this and stuff everything that I want to stuff inside this bag. And yeah, overall I'm so happy with my purchase, putting into consideration that Chanel's bags have gone really high price, you know, so this was really a affordable piece to get. And I'm really happy I got this in black, because I originally wanted it in red, but figured I didn't have a black bag, so I went ahead and got this, and I'm really happy. I'm going to be rocking this for a very long time, and I am not going to purge it because I'm known to purge most of my stuff, so I'm not going to be purging this item at all. I'm going to be keeping it for a very long time. And yes, I do love my purchases. I love my earrings. Let me know guys what you think about this bag and what you think about this earrings. It's so gorgeous. I love it. Love, 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 love. Thank you guys for watching. Please do stay safe, and see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.